Hi everyone, I'm Chef Maria Goretti and today on TNL Taste of the World, I'm going to be cooking for you a cauliflower gratin and an East Indian Vindaloo pasta. So here it is, this is my cauliflower. I'm just going to lower it into this hot water here. Okay, now that I've put all the cauliflower in, I'm going to leave it here for 15 minutes and then I'm going to dunk it in a pot of cold water. So inside this gratin, I'm also going to be adding carrots. I'm going to be making something with cherry tomatoes on the side. There is a little leftover cabbage and I have celery. So this is also going to be going into this thing today somehow. I don't know how, but somehow. Oh, and I have a little bit of my mom's Vindaloo masala. So I'm quite happy about this. Okay, so what I'm going to do to the carrots today is I'm going to add a little prettiness. So I am just kind of, Zene jumped somewhere in the back. Okay, I lost my train of thought. But you can see what I'm doing, right? With the grater, I'm just kind of dragging it along the sides of this carrot so that you have these ridges in the carrot so that when you cut it, the carrot just looks pretty. It is now 15 minutes and I'm going to put this off. And what I have here is really cold water and I'm going to be putting this boiled cauliflower into this cold water. Now the reason you do this is because you want to stop the cooking process, and so this is the best way to stop the vegetables from further cooking. So this is what I do. What I also have is this very pretty knife, and when you cut carrot with this, it looks even prettier. So I'll show you how it looks. So it looks like this. So I'm going to be doing this to the carrot and parboiling it like I did with the cauliflower. So here is my carrot all chopped and ready, and I'm going to just parboil this for a bit. And this is also going to be added in the gratin. So basically today I'm going to make this huge vegetable bake. It's this huge vegetable bake with a little bechamel sauce on it. So yeah, it's going to be a nice, yummy, nutritious meal. So what I'm starting with now is the bechamel sauce. So I'm going to put butter, like a good amount. My heaped tablespoon of flour that I'm going to put into this butter and I'm going to cook it up. So you need to cook it on a low flame till the aroma of raw flour disappears. And now I have put it back onto the fire. I'm going to keep cooking this, and as it thickens I'm going to keep adding milk to it. I'm adding some more milk. I'm going to cook this down again. It's looking very nice on a low flame. Yeah, just remember you have to keep cooking this on a low flame till it all gets done. Now I'm going to add my third installment of milk. Right, so my bechamel is ready. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding some cheese into my bechamel. So as soon as I add some cheese into my bechamel, it's no longer a bechamel, but it now becomes a mornay. So my mornay is now ready and I will now assemble my vegetables. Now into this I am going to add a little nutmeg. I'm going to be also adding a pinch of pepper. I was also thinking of adding actually a little bit of the Vindaloo masala that my mom showed me how to make the other day. I'm just yum. So what I've done here is, in a baking tray I have arranged my boiled cauliflower, and I've just arranged it. And now over this I'm going to put the carrot, which is also parboiled, and this has been salted so it's fine. And then carrot. What I'm going to do is, I have some chopped cabbage here on the side. I'm going to put cabbage into this, and I'm going to put this entire sauce along with this cabbage over my vegetables. So this will all cook together and everybody will have to eat more vegetables. I'm going to give this a good stir. Okay, so all the cabbage has the Mornay sauce over it. I'm going to just take this beautiful Mornay along with all my cabbage, and I'm going to spread it over these vegetables like this. And now over this I am going to add breadcrumbs. So the top hopefully gets a bit crispy. So this is what the Mornay sauce did to all my vegetables. It covered it up really beautifully. I have got breadcrumbs over it, and now I'm going to put it into the oven for 25 minutes at 175 degrees. So I have decided to do something really crazy to my pasta today. So I'm going to start off with butter, because butter always makes everything better. So on the side we are boiling penne. Vijay is boiling penne for us. Into this butter I have very little of my Vindaloo masala paste. I'm going to be adding this to the pasta because it's going to make it all fiery and yummy. And while this is cooking, I'm going to tell you how to make pasta like I learned at Campo di Fiore. So when I went there, I bought a whole lot of Italian herbs, and the guy there in the market, he taught me how to make pasta like the Italians. Over these egg yolks, you are going to grate some Parmesan. Over this, I am going to be adding my Vindaloo masala for flavoring. It's very little, so it's not going to be very, very strong. But then you're going to still feel that little East Indian touch. I just can't help it. I keep on licking my lips because I know how yummy this is. Into this goes some full fat cream. Now that you have whisked everything together and it's lying here ready, you have to wait for the pasta to get cooked. You have to drain it, put it directly into this. With the heat of the pasta, this will get cooked. The egg yolks will get cooked. And what you have is an amazing, yummy pasta, just like the Italians do it. So what I have here are some last minute infusions into my pasta. I just have a little tomato. I also have some celery that I'm just going to throw into it. So yeah, you can do whatever you feel like. Alright, and here goes my penne, really hot penne. I'm just going to stir this around so all the sauce goes to each and every bit of it. Into this, I'm going to be adding the tomatoes. And celery. This is ready. True blue Italian pasta along with a little Vindaloo masala. Yeah. I don't know what you say in Italian, but I will just say arrivederci. it.